How to connect Amazon Prime to Crunchyroll. Now, the very first thing that you have to make sure is make sure that you have both accounts for Prime Video and as well as Crunchyroll. Now, just simply open up any reliable or preferred web browser on your end, but in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And just simply type in connect Crunchyroll to Amazon Prime. Choose on the very first link, which will redirect you to sso.crunchyroll.com. You will be redirected to the Crunchyroll, but you will have to create an account for both. And here, just simply follow necessary options and where did you create your Amazon account, for example, United States, and then in here, input your Crunchyroll account that you have created and as well as your password. If you would like Crunchyroll to send offers and use, then you can pick this box and then just simply click on login with Amazon. Once this whole process is finished, you will or you should be able to complete connecting your Crunchyroll into your Amazon Prime. So that is how you connect your Amazon Prime into your Crunchyroll account.